Let's make easy Ghana jollof. Hello exhibitors, welcome back to my kitchen where we share delicious and easy recipes. This was absolutely good and trust me, you will love it. Okay, it was very singled but absolutely soft, which you will love the recipe. If today is the first time, you're welcome and thank you for clicking on this video. So I have my oil on fire and I'm just going to add my pepper, ginger, garlic, onions, my natural herbs and spice to it, and then we are good to go. My returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for your time. I'm so grateful that you always spend some time with me or you watch my videos. I'm grateful. Okay, I'll go ahead and then give it a stir and then allow all those ingredients in the pot to be on fire for some time. Just want to make sure that we will fry it very well. Okay, I checked on it again and this is how it looks. Absolutely good. If you've watched me till this point and you haven't liked the video, can you please do so for me? I'll be very grateful. If you share the video to others, oh my goodness, I will be very happy for that. Leave me your comments in the comment section as well and share with me how you prepare your jollof rice, since we are learning from each other. I've added my tomato paste, give it a stir, make sure it becomes uniform, and then allow it to fry on fire for some time. Okay, yeah, now this is where we've gotten to and it looks absolutely delicious. Even though we are not done mixing it yet, the stew looks very delicious. Okay, and this place smells very good. Yes, I mean the flavor, oh my goodness, is absolutely on a top level. Okay, yeah, give it a stir, ensure that the tomato paste fries very well. When it fries very well, it will separate. Okay, emu bechiche to say akatwa. That is how it will be like. So allow it to fry very well. When it is well fried, you can see that they will separate from each other, just like how you prepare egusi or you fry egusi, or you fry when you are preparing egg stew, the way they separate. That is how you are going to get it. So after that, I added my seasoning and spice to it. I love natural herbs and spice. Okay, I love it so much. So that is my basil. I added some smoked paprika, cumin, rosemary, and then more of that. Okay, so use any natural spice that you like and trust me, you will fall in love with it. I did not forget my curry powder. Now I covered it, waited for some time, added my tomato sauce to it, and now this is how the stew is looking. It looks absolutely good, but we are going to allow it to fry very well since we added fresh tomatoes to it not long ago. Now our stew is ready, so we took some off. I mean, we took a lot. Okay, I've added my rice. We are just toasting it for some few minutes and then we proceed. So with today's recipe, we are not going to add any stock to it. I mean, we are not going to add any chicken stock, goat, or anything to it. So I've added my hot water to that so that it can speed up the cooking process. Okay, but if you have stock, you can go ahead and do so, but I'm preparing it such a way for a person who does not want any protein in their food. Okay, being chicken, fish, goat, whatever. So I don't want to add all those things. I've added my salt, add any seasoning of your choice, and then you are good to go. So now I'm making sure that It won't stick to the pot. Okay, we don't want the bottom part now, else it will get burnt. So I added more of the water, and now this is how it looks. Give it a stir, taste for salt before you proceed. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please follow us for more videos. We covered it for about 3 minutes, and now this is how it looks. We'll be checking on it at least every 5 minutes, okay, on a very lower heat, so that it will not burn and we will get the perfect outcome we are looking for. Thank you so much. If you want short videos, please follow us on all social media platforms. We are about to start uploading short videos on our Facebook page as well, so please do all to follow us. If you want the recipe in Tree language, please follow us on YouTube, Recipe Goddess, and you will love our recipes there as well. We don't share the same videos there. It is different video. Okay, thank you so much. At this moment, you don't need any extra liquid in there. Okay, yes, because we are going to use the heat to make it soft instead of any other liquid, bean stock or your water. Okay, so just give it a stir and then cover it and let it steam. Okay, yes, that is what we are going to do. At this moment, this smells so good, and I can't wait for it to be ready so I can taste it myself. Yes, so we are just going to cover it for 5 minutes again, and I will get back to you. So after 5 minutes, just look at that. Absolutely fluffy. Okay, it is fluffy, very soft, but it has singled out. It doesn't mean if you want soft jollof rice, it can't single out. Okay, yes, jollof is supposed to be singled out even if you want it soft. It is not supposed to be like emutu or wache that is very, very soft. So whether you want it soft or not, it should be singled out. That is how I know about jollof rice. That is just by the way. Our jollof rice is ready. I tasted it and it was very, very soft. But just look at that, very fluffy, and it has singled out. Okay, so you can make it soft and still be very singled. Yes, try this and you will fall in love with it. Just use the heat to make it soft, not any liquid. Okay, thank you for watching till this point. You will love the next upload, so please don't miss it. Yes, you can't afford to miss it. I will see you in the next one. Take good care of yourself, and bye for now. Thank you.